Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you basic tackling mechanics. In the beginning, let's go to Tutorial and select Tackling Mechanics. Defensive camera can be accessed by pressing upwards button to the top of the camera list. You can change the camera to play lock by pressing LS twice. Make an aggressive tackle by pressing X when the ball carrier is in range and make the tackle. Make a breakdown tackle by pressing A when the ball carrier is in range. Sideline breakdown tackles lead to stalemates. These stalemates trigger stand-up tackles that can be won by rapidly pressing A button. Make a breakdown tackle by pressing A when the ball carrier is in range, then rapidly press A to win the stand-up tackle. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.